Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve a beautiful brick look in your home. First, carefully choose your brick veneer, considering its style, color, and texture to complement your space. Next, accurately measure the area you plan to cover to calculate the precise amount of brick and mortar required. Finally, gather all necessary tools, including a mixing bucket, trowel, and a level, before preparing your wall. Before applying any brick, thoroughly clean your wall, ensuring it is free of dust and loose particles. For some surfaces, installing a cement board provides an ideal base. Next, use a level and pencil to draw horizontal guidelines across the wall. These will help keep your brick lines straight. Consider a dry layout of your bricks on the floor to visualize the pattern and color variations. Now it's time to mix your mortar. Use a polymer-modified thin-set mortar for strong adhesion, mixing it in small batches to a thick pancake consistency. Apply a generous, even layer of mortar to the back of each brick veneer piece. Press each brick firmly onto the wall, wiggling it slightly to ensure good contact. Remember to use spacers to maintain consistent 3/8-inch mortar joints. Once your bricks are in place, fill the joints with mortar using a specialized mortar bag. This ensures a clean application. Let the mortar set for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's firm but still workable. Then, use a brick jointer tool to smooth and shape the mortar lines. Finally, brush away any loose mortar and allow the entire project to cure for at least 24 hours for optimal strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.